Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah and welcome back to my bathroom. I lately get a lot of requests about my eyebrows, so that's why I decided to make an in-depth tutorial about how I'm doing my eyebrows. I already did an eyebrow tutorial on my Insta and IG in a short form, but I still get many questions and you guys say it's not working, so that's why we are going to do this in-depth pencil thin eyebrow tutorial today. I'm also going to do my makeup beforehand and I'm going to mark with a timestamp where I start doing my eyebrows and explain in detail how I'm doing them. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe my channel, follow me on my Insta and on my TikTok. So without further ado, let's go. Okay, let's start with my skin preparation before, and I used the Ordinary Beauty of Joseon Ginseng Moist Sun Serum and their Ginseng Retinol Eye Serum. These three products I put on my skin before I do my makeup. I always like to dab the oil from my upper eyelids before I put on my eyeshadow primer. Because today I want to try out something new because I found some very interesting eyeshadow colors. I've seen lately this 90s icy eyeshadows with thin eyebrows. That's what I wanted to try today. I don't know if I'm able to achieve it because I tried it already and I have some problems to find the right bright or pale shade for my skin tone. And as you guys know, I love to shop my makeup at the drugstore and I found these. They are at sale right now. I bought these for each for €2, so if you still want to have them, I don't know if they're going to keep them. When I saw them already when they just released these sticks and I was like, maybe I'm going to check them later, but now they are on sale, only $2 each. And check the color. They also have, I don't know, blue, green and also orange, but the other tones wasn't for me. And this is the purple. I love the color. Look at this. Look at this. It's like a little gray. And the pink one is very natural. These are the colors. And you can also like this. So this is what I'm going to work with today. Let's see what we can get out of this. For a brighter base, of course, I'm going to top my eyeshadow primer with concealer. I'm doing this to have, as I told you, a brighter surface where I can put on this like mousse kind of eyeshadows. And we will see how it's going to work. I decided to go for this color, the pink one. It's also very natural on my skin tone and it's deep matte liquid eyeshadow, but I'm going to use it in a different way because I want to see what we can do with it. You definitely have to let it dry a little bit. This is actually what I was looking for. It's not too big of a contrast. It's very small. It looks very natural, but I'm going to top it with a powdery eyeshadow. Simple, exactly what I was looking for. 100%, I love it. So I applied it all over my lid. So we have this 90s look. And I'm going to add this, it's a pink shimmer, to have like this gold rose kind of look. Let's see how it works. This is cute. This is cute. I'm going to add this also all over my eyelid and transfer it also to the top, to my eyebrows. As you know what I mean. I mean, you get what I mean, right? And I'm also going to highlight the inner corner with the white. It's a very old Essence highlighter palette. One question, if you want to see how I do my eyebrows, do you also want to see how I pluck them? Because I already plucked them now. And now it's only the makeup part. So let's go with the eyebrows. The most important thing for me when I do my eyebrows is that I have a very slim eyebrow pencil. Very slim as you can. And there are many eyebrow products on the market, but I stick to the Catrice ones. And I also have to say that the color is very important, what kind of color you choose. I have different colors here. I also have some experience with the darker colors. For example, here is a cool brown. And what else do I have here? Chocolate. But for me, the best one is just dark. It's this color. It's a little bit taupe. It's a little bit gray, because these colors are all just warm. And when you draw a line with it, you can see in the middle it's dark, and the outside it's a little bit reddish. And that's not what we are looking for. We need a very precise line. And this is the perfect color for me. Let's swatch it so you can see the difference. This is my favorite one. You see, this is the color. This is cool brown. And this is chocolate. For me, this is the most horrible color. It's just not working for me. And maybe it's for thicker eyebrows, I don't know. But I think it's just smart. It's better if you just start working with this color. This color is for me just the best, because even if my hair is super dark, this is my eyebrow color. This works best for me. I will show you right now. And I'm going to add a little bit darker colors to create a little in-depth, to create a 3D kind of effect, to have it a little bit more natural. But yeah, that's what we are going to do later. So before I draw my eyebrows, of course, even if they are short and thin, I brush them and then I just start drawing. And I do start at the front, but I don't do very strong strokes in the front. I do more stroking when it comes to the arc or the back of my brows. You see? And I also start to draw at the bottom line of my eyebrows here and keep it to the end. This is the line I'm actually focusing on. I'm going to repeat it on this side. I'm also trying not to arch them that much, to have like a very natural curve. So it's a little bit cabaret. So now I have the base. Looks pretty, right? Looks good. And I use the brush to smudge it a little bit more. So, and this is the first layer of my eyebrows right now. Okay, so what was the other color? I think I'm going for the chocolate, no, cool brown, for a little bit more in-depth. With the darker color, I'm only going to apply it on the arch or arc. Not right from the beginning, because when I do it from here, it looks like because it's just too thick. So that's it. Not actually completely it, but we also repeat this step with a brush tip on the back, and there we go. I would also say don't curve it that much here on the eyebrow bone, because if you curve it too much right after here your eyebrow bone, it might look like too curved. So you have to be careful to have like a straight line, but not too straight, and take really good care to have it even here in the front, because it's a symmetry game and people will think it's beautiful because it's just symmetry. So take good care of the symmetry here between your eyebrows. This is actually one of the biggest things you have to take care of, because if you have them uneven, your eyebrows are messed up. So you have to focus on these points. You can also add some orientation dots where you want to draw your eyebrows. It's also just practice. It's lots of practice to get them perfect every time you do them. I also don't get them always perfect, so I also run around with eyebrows like this sometimes. But we are not done yet with my eyebrows. I'm going to do the rest of my face and then we are going to get back to my eyebrows. I see people hating Selena Gomez blushes and products. I don't get it. I'm actually really impressed, and I like Selena Gomez beauty products and I like to use them. I like Rare Beauty. I don't know, but I like the liquid blushes. People say it's too patchy, but for me it's not. For me it's fine. I like it. Look, I think it's cute and it was easy to apply for me. Also, the lady at Sephora told me they are patchy. So, and here we go with the baby powder action again. I don't know if this is even right. I'm not a professional makeup artist. I have to add a little more blush. It was a little too invisible, but it's still even working over the baby powder, over the fixing spray. It's not patchy for me. I like the color combination with the pink on my eyelids and this like warm coral rosy on my cheeks. As I always mentioned, I like Selena Gomez products. So now we are going on with our eyebrows, and I think these steps are actually these steps are very important. All the steps we do for our eyebrows are important, but these are especially important. Now I'm going to take a white from my Girlcult palette with this brush. It's a Docolour brush. Brush number 127. This is how the tip looks like. And we put this right underneath our eyebrows. So we have this. Oh, yes. Yeah. This is what I am looking for. I'm also only just dabbing very carefully because the colors, the Girlcult eyeshadows are very, very intense. And I start to dab it in the middle of my eyebrows and then work my way to the outer corners. So we have the most of the color here. So, and then we are going to grab our concealer and put some on our hands. I like to put it on the back of my hand, then I take a brush like this, and then I'm going to draw a line and contour kind of my eyebrows. I feel that makes the huge difference. I actually do this step before I put on the white eyeshadow on my eyebrow bone. I will just put on the white eyeshadow later on over the concealer. But I think if you have pencil thin eyebrows, this is just something that makes a huge difference, and they look so accurate when you also contour them. So now I'll go on with the rest of my face and we are almost done, but my eyebrows are actually done for the makeup. So now I'm going to do my lippy, and I'm going to use this Plumping lip liner by Catrice. Understated Chic is the first one I'm going to use, and with this one I'm going to line a little bit above my real lip line. And as you can see, it's a very natural color. I always do it here because it's a huge difference, I think. So this is the first color, the brighter color. I'm also going to use this one and smudge it a little bit. You can also use a Q-tip. Now they look a little bit more plumped. Now I'm going to take a darker color. This color is Mainhatten. It also has a little brown in it. And with this we are going to create the depth. I like to do it here, above the color that we put on before. And also here a little bit. And also my wrinkles. Is it a wrinkle? I don't know. Like this. So, and this is also going to be smudged with this applicator. This brown is actually more for creating a shadow. You see that? That's the game. If you put on a brighter color first and then add on a darker one and mix them a little bit on your lips, you have this effect. I love it, and you don't even need to go to the surgeon to do your lippy stuff with the injections and stuff. I don't know what lipstick I'm going to add. I don't know. I feel like lipsticks these days are not that very trending. I feel like we put more attention on our eyes when it comes to lipstick, and at the moment the colors that I like are the black ones, and I have this one here. I don't know if I should use it or should go for a pink, because we have pink eyeshadow. Now I'm going to use this Max It Up Lip Boost Extreme, and guess what? It's from Catrice, because I spent hours at DM and love to shop drugstore makeup. Oh, I love the smell. It smells like berries. It smells like blueberry, to be exact. Yeah, I love this color. It is pigmented. No. But actually it's cute. Because my lips look a little bit dead. I like that. I don't know about the makeup. Is it cool? Is it cute? Maybe I'm going to add this pink Watershine in the middle, so we have a little bit more life. That's better, because now it's a little bit more warm. So, and this is my look today. I hope you enjoyed my eyebrow tutorial, including a little makeup tutorial. And if you still got some questions, just let me know in the comments. Don't forget to follow and subscribe my channel. Follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. And see you next week in my next video. Bye.